Hello Coram, I've been hearing a lot about quantity surveyors lately. Can you explain what they do?
Of course, a quantity surveyor, often abbreviated as QS, is a professional in the construction industry who specializes in managing and controlling costs. They ensure that construction projects are completed within budget while maintaining quality standards.
That sounds important. What are some of the key responsibilities of a quantity surveyor?
Well, a quantity surveyor has several key responsibilities. They prepare cost estimates and budgets for construction projects, conduct feasibility studies, and provide cost advice throughout the project. They also manage contracts, handle procurement, and ensure that all financial aspects of the project are in order.
So, they basically handle all the financial aspects of a construction project.
Exactly. They play a crucial role in cost planning and control. They monitor project costs, prepare bills of quantities, and ensure that the project stays within the allocated budget. They also assess and manage risks related to costs and contracts.
Interesting. How do they ensure that the project stays within budget?
Quantity surveyors use their expertise to analyze costs and identify potential savings. They negotiate with suppliers and contractors to get the best prices for materials and services. They also keep track of any changes to the project scope and adjust the budget accordingly.
That makes sense. What kind of skills and qualifications does a quantity surveyor need?
A quantity surveyor typically needs a degree in quantity surveying, construction management, or a related field. They should have strong analytical and numerical skills, attention to detail, and excellent communication skills. Knowledge of construction methods and materials is also essential.
Are there any specific tools or software that quantity surveyors use?
Yes, quantity surveyors use various tools and software to perform their tasks. Some common ones include cost estimating software, project management tools, and building information modeling (BIM) software. These tools help them manage costs, track progress, and ensure accuracy in their work.
Sounds like a challenging but rewarding career. How does one become a quantity surveyor?
To become a quantity surveyor, you typically need to complete a degree in quantity surveying or a related field. After that, gaining practical experience through internships or entry-level positions is crucial. Many quantity surveyors also pursue professional certifications, such as those offered by the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors (RICS), to enhance their credentials.
Thanks for explaining, Coram. I have a much better understanding of what a quantity surveyor does now.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or want to learn more about the construction industry, feel free to ask.